Hey, I'm Cameron McKenzie. I'm the editor-in-chief over at theserverside.com. You can follow me on Twitter at CameronMCNZ. Right now, I want to talk to you about Git submodules and specifically how to clone a Git repository that has a submodule and get all of those files associated with the submodule, not just the Git repository itself. As you can see, I've got two repositories here, Surface and Submarines. Surface is the parent topic and Submarines is the submodule. So if I take a look at that parent repository, Surface, you'll see it links to the submodule Submarines. Take a look at Submarines and there's nuclear.html in there. And what I'd like to do is I would actually like to clone that Surface repository. So clone Surface. And as I clone Surface, I want to be able to get all of the code in Submarines as well. And it's not actually that straightforward. So the first thing you need to do is get that URL associated with that Surface repository. So I think I've got that copied there. And then you open up a bash shell in the repository you want to clone to. So I'm going to open up git bash here. And then I'm just going to do a clone. Now that will end up bringing in the Surface project. So we'll open up Surface here. And hey, it looks like it brought in the Submarine submodule. But I'll open that up and you'll see there's nothing in there. And so if you want to get something in there, the first step is to just go Git Submodule Init. And of course you have to do that from the folder, cd Surface. And there we go. We can do the Git Submodule Init. I wasn't in the Git repository there. So now we've done the Git Init, and next we just do the Git Submodule Update. And as we do that, you should see files pop up here inside that Submarine folder. Hopefully we'll see that nuclear.html file. And there we go. We've now successfully brought in not just that Surface repository, but we've brought in Submarines as well. And there's that nuclear file, which we can confirm was actually part of that Submarine submodule. And there you go. That's how easy it is to just clone a project and subsequently clone the submodule. It's git clone, git init, git submodules update. And there you go. That's how easy it is to clone a repository that has a submodule and get all the files associated with that submodule as well. So if you want to learn more about Git, GitHub, GitLab, any of the Git technologies, head over to theserverside.com. We've also got lots of tutorials on Java, server-side computing, Agile, and the like. And if you got a Twitter account, give me a follow at CameronMCNZ.